Hello there, how are you doing? I hope you're well. Today I want to show you a little knife that I've got. This is the Camillus Trekus Pro. Shiny, isn't it? And yeah, quite like this. So you've got a pocket clip here. There is quite a wide clip on it, so it may clip on a belt, but it's probably better suited to sliding into your pocket. It's got a drop point blade, which is sharp out of the box. You wouldn't want to run your finger down it. It is liner locked as well, so it's not legal for street carry, for everyday carry, but for practical use when you're out in the field, it's good stuff. There is a nice little saw. I have tested this saw and it does work pretty well. Quite impressed with that. The saw doesn't lock, which I would have liked to have seen, but that's not essential anyway. There is a file and screwdriver. So there's a nice little file with a screwdriver on the tip. And actually you need to leave that out for the pièce de resistance on this knife, which is, it just slides out here. What you've got here is a ferro rod, and I used this last night with good success actually, and I scraped the rod using the front edge of the file. Worked really well. So yeah, I really like that. That's a really nice, handy little addition to a camping knife, or outdoor knife if you like. There is a little torch on here. It's a bit naff, but it would help you see your way around. It's, to be honest with you, it's the features for getting it sort of like started that are a bit on and off, hit and miss. There we go. So when you screw it up tight, it comes on. So you unscrew it a little bit to turn it off, unscrew it a bit further, and you get like a day glow light, a really light light. But it's not too bad, but it's neither here nor there, to be honest with you. But it's a nice to have. When you've got the light out, that reveals an awl with a sharpish blade on there, and you can use that for digging holes and scraping stuff. I did have a go at making a hole in a bit of wood just to see if it worked, and it did. And then also on this side, you've got a can opener, which works really well too. Oh God, it's cutting through this tin like butter. And it also has, I wouldn't call that a screwdriver end, but I guess you could use it as one. It does taper down, does that end, so you could also use that as a screwdriver too. And I should add that this does actually liner lock, does that one. So yeah, I really like this. I was more enamored with this, in particular for the ferro rod idea, because I thought as a camping knife, I thought that was a really cool addition. I'll put a link in the description and comments, and if you want to check it out, you can. It cost me about 35 quid, I think it was, on Amazon. But yeah, quite like that. It's a nice looking knife, feels good in your hand. It is quite heavy, but it's all right. It's robust, it's strong, and that's what you want when you're out in the field. What do you reckon? Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you've got one of these and found any additional uses for it, by all means let me know that too. If you like it, as I say, I'll put some links in the comments and description. And if you like what I'm doing on the channel, you know what to do about liking, subscribing and all that kind of stuff. I won't bore you with that. Alright, you take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.